Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Divinity in Destiny 2 using the easiest method. Start by opening your Triumphs tab and locating the Divinity Pursuit. Complete the required objectives listed there, including activity completions and precision kills, and follow any quest step unlocks in order. Prioritize the activity that rewards the pursuit and focus on the listed milestones to speed up acquisition efficiently and predictably. Begin by queuing the activity that progresses divinity and focus on efficiency. Clear checkpoints and high-value objectives quickly. Coordinate with a fire team to guarantee precision kills and objective captures, and split roles to minimize downtime. Track progress between runs and adjust strategy when a step proves slow, swapping weapons or routes to optimize. Small tweaks to loadouts and route planning typically cut farming time significantly, and optimize your loadout around staying alive and scoring precision hits consistently. Choose weapons with high stability and aim assist for repeatable results. Use mods that increase mobility and recovery to reduce failed runs, and bring consumables that enhance damage or resilience during tough objectives. Coordinate grenade and super usage to clear priority targets quickly, and communicate with teammates to synchronize burst phases for smooth, fast clears that improve pursuit efficiency over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.